Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So we have our next question from the same passage, and the direction for question is what? That there is a passage below, um, and on the basis of the passage, you will find out a set of questions, and among them, each question consists of some options, and we need to choose the best answer from them, isn't it? So that is what the direction. So as far as about the text, what I presume that you have read the text and you understood it. So this text is nothing but a kind of a means informative and academic text with a neutral tone. Coming to the question directly. So what does the question points out? It stated about which of the following, if true, which of the following, if true, would weaken the idea. Weaken the idea. What is that idea? Protons and neutrons are composed of quarks and gluons, right? Now, if I look into the each option carefully, so what do I find out here? Look at the first option. What does the first option point out? So we need to find out weakening the idea. So the first option said recent experiments have confirmed the existence of pions inside protons and neutrons. If I look into the option one, it directly supports, it directly supports the idea of what? Supports the idea of pions, right? Inside protons and neutrons. So pions are mentioned in the passage as particles responsible for what? Holding protons and neutrons together, which is considered consistently or consistent with the idea of quarks and gluons. Confirming the existence of pions inside protons and neutrons does not actually weaken the author's argument. So hence it would be uh, incorrect or eliminated. Option 2 stated quarks and gluons have been observed to exist independently of protons and neutrons. Now, if I look into this option is the correct one because it confirming the existence, it presents a significant challenge to the idea of protons and neutrons being composed of quark and gluons. If quark and gluons exist independently, if quarks, quarks and gluons, um, if they exist, you can say that independently of protons and neutrons, protons and neutrons. It's you can say that it if it exists independently of protons and neutrons, it suggests that protons and neutrons are not solely composed of these subatomic particle. So therefore, you can find out option two weaken the argument, right? So, but let's see that option three for what do we find out in option three? Option three said the strong nuclear force has been discredited by contemporary physics. It is incorrect. Discrediting the stronger nuclear force might affect the argument. Argument, argument regarding what? Argument regarding protons and neurons, protons and um, neutrons. But it doesn't directly weaken the idea of quarks and gluons, isn't it? The strong nuclear force is responsible for holding protons and neutrons together in the nucleus, but this does not negate the existence of quarks and gluons. So hence, option 3 is eliminated. Option 4 stated the mass of protons and neutrons is found to be significantly less than previously believed. Now, this might raise questions about the what? About the, you can say that, about the mass of what? Mass of protons, protons, and it also neutrons and neutrons, neutrons. Okay, it doesn't directly weaken the concept of quarks and gluons. It could potentially lead to a re-evaluation, right? Re-evaluation of what? Re-evaluation of the mass particle, but does not change or challenge the idea of their composition. So hence we can consider option 4 is eliminated. So our uh, previous option 2 is stood correct. So therefore the answer should be option 2. I hope you understood the text as well as the question's answer and the reason behind it. That's all. Thank you.